How to fix Instagram message not sending problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram message not sending problem. So guys, you can see here my message is not sending, it's on a process of sending. So what you have to do is first of all, you have to check your Instagram, your internet connection. Please check your internet connection whether it is on or not. And then what you have to do is you have to go to Google Play Store here and then search for Instagram. Here is it. Click on Instagram and then check whether there is anything available for the update. You have to update it. So if the Instagram is asking for an update, please update the Instagram and then go back and go to your settings, mobile settings. Go to your settings and then scroll down. You can see here app management. I have app management, and you can find app install apps or app manager or anything like that. So just go to app management or anything what you have in your phone. So I will go to app management, scroll down and go to Instagram. Here is it. And guys, you can see here a button, for stop button here. So just click here and then you have to stop the force here. Now again, you can see here storage uses. So just click here and you have to clear all the data and also the cache. You have to clear everything here. Now go back and you can see here permission button. You can see here permission. Just click on permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it, you have to allow all the permission here. Now uninstall the application here and then again you have to install it and reinstall it, and the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.